guys, so it is March 5th and I am on my lunch break. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon. I wanted to show you guys what everything is looking like. Y'all, I done killed my cayenne pepper. I done killed my cayenne pepper plant. I done brought it outside way too early. Should have just left it in the house. I'm gonna show you guys what everything is looking like. I do need to clean up back here because when I had my godson out here, he was like having a ball and dirt is everywhere. But let me show you guys what everything is looking like in the greenhouse. All right, so these ones, it's so funny, my cucumbers are doing fine. So I planted these from seed and these are doing fine. This baby right here, baby, look at it. Bless his heart, bless his heart. I done killed it. I have come to the conclusion that I'm okay with seeds. Like, I can do seeds, but if I buy something that was already previously planted by somewhere else, I just can't keep them alive. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I just can't keep it alive. We're gonna go down here to my California bell peppers. Oh, look how cute these are, you guys. I just love looking at them. They're so cute. I have killed off my spaghetti squash. I think it got too cold one night, so some of them are dying, but some of them are actually getting what I've been hearing are called true leaves. So look at that. So I have two dead. Let's see what this one is looking like. I be trying to be so careful. Oh, it has its true leaf. Well, one true leaf so far. So cute. Let's see what this one is looking like. Oh, it has a little baby leaf too. Trying to get my camera to focus. I'm about to get a new camera because this one be tripping sometimes. All right, there it goes. So it has this true leaf. It's still a little blurry, sorry you guys. So I'm excited about that. Let me show you guys what's going on in the raised bed. So things in here are looking good. This is my cabbage. It's looking good. Well, to me, I'm assuming it looks good. I think my romaine lettuce is doing so well. It looks so cute. And then this, what kind of lettuce is this? This is black seeded, I don't know what that say, black seeded Simpson lettuce. I don't know if this is correct or not. It looks a little, I don't know. We're gonna pray for that one though. This is my spinach that I had dropped in a container, and we're gonna pray for that one too. Bless his heart. And then this is the broccoli. I guess the broccoli's doing well, I guess, but yeah, whatever. Let's look at the onions and the garlic. Right, so in here, these are 4 onions that I have in here. It's a little dry, so I might need to water that. These are yellow onions. Oh, these ones are yellow onions too. Let's go on the other side and take a look at the garlic in the front. Okay, come through garlic. I didn't know it was like that much. I have 6 in here and it looks like only 5 has sprouted so far, or I think that's sprouted. If this one is trying to catch up with everybody else, but that is a-okay. I'm excited. And then 6 garlic in here. Now I don't remember planting these that close together, so let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So yeah, that's just, I don't know what's going on with that one, but I didn't plant them that close together. I know that for a fact. And then I have 1 lonely red onion. Whatever, it's good. It's a learning process. Let's take a look at my vertical planter. Y'all, look at this. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's a true leaf. Oh my God. Yay, happy dance. This, it has a true leaf, but the stem's looking a little crazy. And this has a true leaf. It's doing well, standing up. We're gonna pray for that one. That's the black kale. That is kale 2. Kale. Oh yeah, look at this one. This one is doing really very well, very well. I'm excited about that one. That is dino kale that's growing, but I think that's like the only one. I know this one's doing well. And then I don't know what happened to this one. Pretty sure I put 1 in there and I went to go dig for it and there was nothing in there. All right, so this I have moved these. So this is now the red potatoes that I got from the farmer's market last summer, and then these are gonna be the yellow potatoes that I bought from the store, but they weren't organic. And I've been reading up a lot, and also I've had comments in my videos saying that, hey, store-bought potatoes more than likely are not going to grow. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm gonna dig these up and get me some seed potatoes. I haven't seen any in the store. Someone told me to order them from online, but we'll see what I do. So this is the one I'm going to have to dig up. I did pick up some straw, as you all can see. I kept on saying hay in my last video, and someone was like, not hay, straw. And I'm like, I don't know why I kept on saying hay, but it is actually straw. But and I know that potatoes take a very long time. I have like my little journal going for my potatoes, but I am gonna dig this one up. I'm gonna keep this one just to see what happens with it, whatever. And then that is about it. That's about it for today's update. Zion, my godson, and I did plant either 5 or 6 more bags of yellow onions just to give him something to do. And now I have a whole hot mess back here that I'm gonna have to clean. It's a very nice day out, as you guys can see. I have on short sleeve. I'm just a tad bit chilly, not very cold, but I will sweep this off and I'll get to it. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I will share another update with you guys later this week. Good morning. Today is March 7th. I thought it was about to be cold out here. The sun is out, hallelujah, and I done got all bundled up thinking it's about to be cold. It's not even all that cold, but whatever, I already got it on. Oh my gosh, look at my dino kill. Yesterday I came out here just to make sure everything was okay. I briefly looked at stuff, well, not brief, but I briefly looked at stuff just to make sure like nothing was knocked over. But it did rain all day yesterday, so therefore I'm about to just look at everything. I have some plants in the house that I need to bring out. Remember, I restarted my kale and also my spinach, so those are going to come out. I also restarted my collards, so I'm going to bring those out. Hopefully I'm doing the right thing and bringing them outside. I'm going to put them into the greenhouse and see how they do. I'm afraid to look at my cayenne pepper plant. I didn't look at it yesterday because I killed it. And I've been hoping like, okay, like maybe it will come back to life. I don't know, but we are about to see. Right now, again, I'm about to just open up stuff to see how stuff is doing. First, let me show you guys how in my raised bed, how that stuff is looking. All right, this spinach is still struggling. I'm gonna just take that off. That's still struggling. This is broccoli. It's getting bigger. I bought this lettuce. I don't know what it's supposed to look like at this point. I don't know what I'm waiting for what it This over here is cabbage. The leaves are looking good. And then this is romaine lettuce, so that's looking good as well. Let's look at our onions and garlic underneath the raised bed. All right, okay, come through garlic. Okay, I see you. Red onions. Oh, there's one over there coming out because I'm like, yeah. Oh, and it's another one. Okay, red onions did have me a little scared. I'm not even gonna lie. These are okay. Everything is looking good. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys the one that Zion and I planted. Of course, nothing's happening with the ones that Zion and I planted. We just planted these on Sunday. So nothing's happening. Oh, this bag is actually a little dry, so I am gonna go ahead and water that this morning. I guess the rain didn't get to it yesterday, but that is a-okay. But now I'm about to go ahead and open up the greenhouse and see how stuff in there is doing. All right, Cayenne, I don't know what's wrong, Papi. Like, what is wrong with you? Okay. Well, let me get my life together. I'm gonna just leave that on the ground because it's about to die anyway. Or it's, you know, dying. What is that? Ew, what is that? What is that stuff on there? Is that ew, what is that? Someone tell me, what is that? I'm gonna have to look up diseases again. I don't want that one, so we're gonna pull you out. Oh no, honey, what is that? We're gonna throw that out. I hope that isn't on the rest of my plants. Okay, well, let's go down here. These are looking fine. Of course, my spaghetti squash. These, okay, so that has that crap on there too. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna just let it be. I'm not gonna get overwhelmed. I'm not gonna say anything. Let me make sure like the rest of those don't have that. That was disgusting, whatever that was. Alrighty, let me dump these cubes out. Forgot to show you guys what the vertical planter is looking like. So that is looking fine. That one's looking good. That looks okay. I mean, I don't know, but the one down here is that one. Oh, this one right here. Come through. Dino kale. Okay. Yes. The rest of them, yep, whatever. At this point, I'm just like, it's whatever. But let me go ahead and water these onions. Alright, so that is all that I have for today. So I will, if not later today, show you guys, well, I guess I wanted to show you guys later today, maybe tomorrow or Saturday, I'll be back out here and showing you guys everything. I do need to clean up back here. Again, when Zion and I was back here, I never got around to cleaning, and it's been raining and it's looking disgusting. So once all this dries up, hopefully I can get back here and clean it up. I am going to leave my greenhouse open, and I'm gonna just leave that cayenne pepper plant just right there. And I'm about to go look up what the heck was just growing on my, what was that, cucumber. I don't know what that was, but I need to go look it up.